guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I get started with either like a candle and so it could be smelling nice and keep me a little motivated to clean. So I use this oil diffuser that I just got, and I actually love it, you guys. This is like my second time using it. So I put in the required water that it says online, I think it was, because it didn't come with instructions, so I had to go back and look online. So I put I think it was 2 cups of the little cup that comes with the diffuser, and it's distilled water. And now I'm using the oils that I have on hand, which is eucalyptus oil and lemon oil. So I put about maybe 20 drops in each bottle, and it smells great, you guys. I really love this thing. I didn't have any candles that I wanted to smell like fresh and clean. I mostly have like holiday-ish candles and like fall-ish candles that I need to get me some new candles. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and I really love this because it has an hour, hour, 3 hour, and like 6 hour that you can have it on for, and it turns off by itself, so it's pretty awesome. And I left it on for like 6 hours, and the house smelled pretty good. It smelled fresh, it didn't smell bad. But I think I needed a little bit more drops than what I had. So right here I'm showing you the mist, and to see if you could see it. Yeah, you could see it right there, and it's just so fresh and awesome. And you can also use it as a humidifier if you wanted to. Alright, so now I'm gonna get started with my room, and what I'm doing is taking out the sheets so I can wash the sheets that are on the bottom along with my pillowcases. And yeah, I have obviously a washer at home, so I gotta do comforter, just one load by one load, which I hate because it takes forever to wash clothes, you guys. I hate washing clothes. So right here I'm showing you I'm doing vinegar and baking soda and essential oil peppermint. So I'm putting baking soda on my mattress because I'm going to vacuum it, and I don't do this often, but it was actually time to do this to my mattress. I do this maybe about twice, 3 times a year, and so I just let the baking soda do its thing. And while dusting my headboard and my little decorations and stuff, and then I actually spray a little bit of that vinegar and water mix that I made, and I will go ahead and leave that mix down below if you guys are interested in making that DIY mix. So I mixed that all over the mattress, and I let it sit there for a few minutes, and then I started vacuuming my mattress. To do speed most of the video. It's gonna be like a speed cleaning. I don't want to bore you guys, and not being speed, being all slow about it. Alright, now I'm gonna use baking soda with hot water. I'm gonna put in my sheets. This is what I usually do, and some vinegar. I don't really use Clorox unless it's really needed, but I feel like the vinegar and the baking soda works really well with hot water, of course, and with white clothes. Yeah, girl, get it, get it. I was so into the song while I was cleaning. Hey, you need some good music while you're cleaning, otherwise, yeah, you won't be able to finish cleaning. Well, at least I wouldn't. I need some good music in the background. So I'm here just cleaning out my, yeah, that is a very good book, girl. You need to read it. Yeah, so I'm just cleaning here my dresser, just dusting it out. I need to clean my brushes, by the way. Yeah, I still need to do that. Oops, I dropped Alexa.
Would you trust me when you're jumping from the heights? Would you fall in the name of love? When there's sadness, when there's poison in your head, when the sadness leaves you broken in your bed, I will hold you in the depths of your despair. But it's all in the name of love.
I normally don't clean out my doors all the time, but like I said, it's a deep cleaning, so I probably do this about twice a year, 3 times a year, because they are white. So sometimes if I see they do need some cleaning, I will go ahead and clean them. But yeah, it's best to clean them because yeah, they're white and you can see all the dirt and the dust, so it's annoying. Tired. I'm getting old. Whew, that was a workout, girl. my god, that song was just the hit right there. It was just awesome. Oh, I am so tired. Whew. At least that's done. I was hot. Yeah, girl, get it. Yeah, move it. I need a little water break and a little dance break because I hate vacuuming and it's tiring. Yeah, girl. Get it. Left, right. Get it. Silly me. I did not know where to start in the bathroom. It was driving me crazy. Let me tell you that after cleaning this, my back was so sore the next day. I had to take some Advil, girl. Laundry. It's like a never-ending story. True story. I'm sure we all have these. Oh my gosh, this sweater is so comfy. I love it. It's my favorite. Yeah, girl, get it. Oh my god, I haven't seen my face all day. I look so tired. I look like a wreck. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video with me and got you motivated. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, loves.